Hi, in front of me is TCL 10SE, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, open calendar. Then tap on the month above and pick a date. Now click on the plus icon, and over here you can add a title, set up notification, add location and many other things. When you're done, click save. As you can see, my event was successfully created. If you wanna delete it, tap on it, click on the three dots and choose delete. Then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!